Hey, are you frustrated? You cannot give enough time in your business or evaluate anything. You cannot evaluate anything or anyone. Are you struggling for searching data from your database or you cannot find data in real time? So don't be frustrated. Today I'm going to show you a smart methodology for searching data. So today's topic is real-time synchronization. So I am Tasnim Alam, I'm the founder of TSN Soft, and real-time synchronization is a premium service of us. So real-time synchronization, basically, what is synchronization? Synchronization is a machine or programs which works simultaneously, and it built for make a coordination in your work. So it was the synchronization. What is real-time synchronization? Real-time synchronization is a continuous data synchronization engine at the AI generated insight analytics report or performance metric across all your data dashboard is always up to date, always aligned the moment data changes anywhere. It updates everywhere simultaneously. So it was the real-time synchronization. But now I'm going to show you the architecture, how we build it. So at first, connected, we connect your database, and which is basically CRM, ERP, finance, marketing database, or APS, anything. At first, we connect with your database. Then the we build a real-time watch point, which is basically a watch point. You can continuous monitoring there and build a program like that. Detection engine, change detection engine, which is instant awareness. After that, intelligent conflict resolution. We find the conflict by intelligence, and then data progression layer. We build a data progression layer which is automatically updates. After that, the live dashboard, you can see live dashboard, analytics modules, reporting system, and live dashboard from CRM, and analytics modules from watchpoint, and reporting system from the intelligent conflict resolution, and agentic AI layer, which is data progression layer, and which automatically update. Then external integration, we build. If you need any external integration, we build it. So audit and compliance logging. After that, audit and you can notify your have a audit. Then complete the full ecosystem. And that was the architecture of real synchronization. So why professionals need real synchronization? We build a distinguish between before real-time synchronization and after real-time synchronization. You can see here, and before real-time synchronization, dashboards show data, sometimes hours old. You can see old data in before synchronization. After real-time synchronization, you can show the live data and current business state. Then different tool show different number for the same metric. But after real-time synchronization, single source of truth across all platform. And then after synchronization, you can get made on consistent and real-time data, which is important for coordination. Then who needs this real-time synchronization? Basically, every responsible person needs a synchronization way for a good structure of business. So it plays an important role. So, but some specific person or role, it must be need in this modern age. So CEO or founders, they need synchronization and monitoring in their business. so they need it. And financial manager who manage finance or operations, sales, marketing, product designer, and especially data analyst must need this service, that real-time synchronization, which make them consistent, synchronized data across all sources for analysis. So need this person for mandatory, but every responsible person need synchronize a synchronization method. So what are the benefits? So it benefits too many benefits in real-time synchronization. Instant update, it can be instant update. And manual signing, obviously no manual signing. And 7 by 24 monitoring, 24 by 7 monitoring, you can maintain your consistency guaranteed. And how, which purpose, these cases use these cases. Financial service, e-commerce, agencies, SAS, and healthcare, manufacturing. So they need it, obviously they need it. This is mandatory for them. And here another distinguish between real-time sync and traditional data integration. So after that, technical specification, the specs and details in here. It's update latency and more than 500 ms from change detection and dashboard update. Unlimited CRMs, APIs, database APIs, web hooks. And after that, the module, the mode, sync modes, the full-time synchronization, mode 1, and mode 2 is intelligent selective sync, and mode 3 event driven sync, and mode 4 scheduled batch sync. And after that, conflict resolution strategies is in here, you can read it. I provide this PDF in the description. The important thing is implementation workflow. We divided it in 6 weeks. This is the basic structure, to build the basic structure. And this is the mandatory, and but if you need, it can be finished in 1 week. So in first week, integration planning. In second week, connection setup. Third week, watch point configuration, we will want watch point configuration. And fourth week, conflict resolution rules. Fifth week, testing and validation. Sixth week, it go to live and you can see. So it was the basic workflow, but if you need, we can build it in 1 week. But this is the basics on which we can research and then import your data. After that, some performance metrics you can read. And security compliance, it is end-to-end encryption, zero trust architecture, full audit trail, and compliance certificate, breach detection. But when we do this work and for security, we can sign a paper for your database and data safety. This was the pricing. Connect with us for details. And the result, what is the result? Your data always aligned, always current, always ready. And when your data sync real time, your business move in real. We move to some real project. So this is the synchronization of TSN, our company. So this is the synchronization board. We can see the client node, and this is the our employment ID. And you can see here, you can see this board, our live project. This is our priority, which is critical. We can do it fast. And this is active project, and duration, how much duration we take, um, 10 hours, which helps to our client to notify that about the project. So it's all about our project, and we make it some some archive. So this is today's 10 project, our 10 project which is done. It is automatically saved in database, and you can find it anywhere. You can find it. And the complex project, if you see our complex project, you can get basically this that was the synchronization process. And after that, a few hours ago, I completed work, and that was my last complete work of synchronization. Basically, this is the cryptocurrencies wallet or cryptocurrencies dashboard, and you can see it make for cryptocurrency agencies. Here they are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD coin. So you can see 24126, and the first synchronization was 23516. Everything is saved in your database, and everything saved in your database, and you can see live for your data. So you can found data easily, and searching data easily, and modify your data easily.